Lauren, and today, guys, I'm sorry for being late for this video. I made the video on my another channel, another one. I think I'm not really sure yet. But here are some Google tricks you can actually do. First of all, it's a little trick saying "Thank you, Google." Usually it says like "You're welcome" or something. I'm not really sure why it's not doing that, but here's another one. Google underwater. Take a look at this. This is the trick. If you click here, yeah. So there you go. Pac-Man, mirror. Look at that. You see that there? Take a look. So Google is now swimming. You see that there? Yeah, you can type YouTube if you want. Google mirror. Take a look at this as well. Google mirror. Oh my god, what do I do now? Oh my god. Hello everyone. Oh my god, I can't see what I'm typing. Oh my god, that's so crazy actually. That's so crazy. You can do snake. What do you do? Does a snake fall around the curtain? What do I do here? What do I do here? This is absolutely crazy. I don't even know what to do. That's a bit crazy. But here's another one. Oh, I love underwater one. And stop it, Daddy, stop it. Google gravity. Take a look at this. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look. Whoa! Look, and take a look at this as well. You can guys play with the Google. Yay! Where's the search engine gone? How am I supposed to change if I don't know where the search engine gone? Oh, it's way over here. Where do you go? Oh, what a mess! I'm not gonna clean that up. How about if I spin it around? Spin it around. Come on, spin it around. I lost my search. I lost it. I can't find it now. Where do I go? I can't lost it. Okay, that was a little bit funny. But take a look at this now. If I do type in this, do a barrel roll. Woo! Google just spat on my face. It's a little funny, guys. And if you look at it, that's look it's askew. These are tilted ever so slightly. All right, it's a little bit tilted. Tilt trick. It's a skewing. It's a little bit tilted. It's a little tilted. But take a look at this. If you type in a sorry breakout, yeah, and then go to images, and then click on one of the images, yeah, you can actually play a game. Oh my god. Where is this now? Come on. Right, stop it now, stop it. Look at this. And yeah, that's a bit fun. I love that.
Okay, can you tell me that?
No, Mum, go out, make a...
Okay.
Go, I'll do it myself, I know how. Yeah, a little fun. I love that. Next one, yeah, guys, take a look at this. Is something really cool. Alright? It's this. Google, yeah, Google Pac-Man. There we go. But there's also another epic cool trick I wanted to share. I forgot about that. Let's click to play. Let's play a game now, shall we, guys? Click to play. No lag. Oh my god, where it is? I lost it. But there you go, you saw that, guys, didn't you? So there's another one really cool trick. Sphere. Google Sphere. There we go. You see that, guys? Do you see that there? You can even go about Google. Where's the video button gone? There it is. Videos. Click videos if you want. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. But there's another little cool trick I want to show you. Google. In 1980, I think it was. And then go to images. Oh my god, that looks so. But there we go, 1998. There we go. That's how Google looks like. It's a bit of a fun trick to do. But there's also another one. Let's try another one. Google. I should know this one. This one's to roll a die. Five. There you go. Roll it. Roll it. There's a bit for fun. Here's another one. That's a bit fun. I love that. Google Easter eggs. I sneezed a lot. I got snots around me now, guys. Got snots around me now. Next thing is, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you. Oh, there's another one called where it is like X things. That was called Google. Let's just celebrate underwater. There we go. Hopefully, and yeah.